Here's the Vantrue N4 Pro, 3 cameras, 4K resolution, voice control, license plate pix tech. Sounds like a dash cam that does everything. But after driving with it day and night, there were a few surprises they don't tell you in the ads. Is it actually worth your hard-earned cash, or just another gimmick in a shiny package? Let's find out. Vantrue N4 Pro Product Overview. So what are we looking at? The Vantrue N4 Pro is a premium 3-channel dash cam from Vantrue, released around mid-2024, early 2025. It's designed for folks who want full coverage, front, cabin, and rear. If you're a rideshare driver, parent who wants to monitor what's happening in the back seat, or just someone who really cares about capturing everything, including license plates, at night from multiple angles, this is clearly aimed at you. Its key selling points? Real 4K front resolution, Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, plate pix license plate sharpening, IR LEDs for cabin night vision, dual-band Wi-Fi, and robust parking and parking mode features. Vantrue N4 Pro Performance. Okay, specs are nice, but how does this thing perform in real life? Daytime? Very strong. The front camera captures crisp detail. Street signs, plates, even smaller text are legible. The HDR front makes bright skies and shadows better balanced. Rear and cabin channels are solid too, especially in good light. Night or low light? This is where Starvis 2 plus HDR and the cabin IR LEDs matter. The front and rear cams hold up well in low light, and license plates from cars ahead are often readable. The cabin cam drops into black and white mode using its IR lights, which helps for recording inside without being completely dark. That said, harsh headlight glare can still blow out some detail, especially when there's no CPL filter in place. User interface and app or connectivity. Mixed bag. The Vantrue app works. You can connect via Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz to grab video, update firmware, etc. But sometimes menu navigation feels less polished than you'd expect for a premium device. For example, firmware updates can require redoing some setup. Moments of lag or confusion in the app happen. Features and tech. Let's dig into what really makes the N4 Pro stand out feature by feature and why you should care. Sony Starvis 2 front sensor and plate pix technology. The Starvis 2 delivers excellent sensitivity in low light, and plate pix sharpens license plates specifically so they're more readable. That matters if you ever need legal or insurance proof or are worried about fraud. It's not just marketing fluff here. Many tests show improved clarity of plates, especially at night or in glare. Triple channels, front, cabin, and rear. You get 360 degrees, well, front plus inside plus back, coverage. Cabin view is especially useful for rideshare or if you want internal visibility for passengers or pets. Rear cam helps catch rear endings or traffic behind. Having all three means more memory usage and more complexity, but more peace of mind. HDR and IR LEDs. HDR helps balance out contrast, bright sky versus dark road, which makes footage more usable. Cabin IR LEDs allow recording in total darkness inside car. Black and white, but usable. Without these, many cams get washed out or too dark to see anything useful. Design and build. Aesthetically, Vantrue's build feels solid. The main unit has a big 3.2-inch screen, approximately 960 by 376, which is large among dash cams. Buttons beneath are physical, not touch, better when confirming by feel without looking. Materials are mostly good. Sturdy plastics, magnetic mount, solid cables. Heat tolerance is decent, rated for -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, so summer day bake shouldn't kill it. On the flip side, size is bulky. It's not the smallest thing behind the mirror. It demands space and can be more visible. Wiring is a bit of a hassle, especially if you want it hidden or want a hardwire for parking mode. Also, the card slot can be finicky, hard to insert or remove on some units. Pros. Excellent video clarity, especially front and license plate readability, even at night. True 3-channel coverage, front, cabin, with IR, rear. HDR plus Starvis 2 sensors equals strong low-light performance. Dual-band Wi-Fi and OTA updates make file transfer and firmware better. Solid build and temperature tolerance. Cons: bulky size plus somewhat visible when mounted. Parking mode delays, especially in power-saving mode. App and firmware sometimes clunky, some request updates manually or redo setup. Price is on the higher end. Final verdict. So who is the Vantrue N4 Pro really for? If you are someone who wants maximum coverage, especially front and cabin and rear, who values license plate clarity, especially in tough lighting or nighttime, this is one of the stronger options. For rideshare drivers, parents who want to monitor interior, or anyone wanting extra proof in case of incidents, it delivers. But is it worth the money compared to simpler, cheaper dashcams? If you don't need the cabin view or don't care as strongly about plate detail